Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Phone Rebel Gen 3 Rebel Series case. This case is of course made by Everything Apple Pro himself, and this one is for the 13 Pro because that's the phone that I have. As you can see, we have a pretty nice attention to detail on the box of the case. We've got the side of the case on the side of the box and the Rebel logo on the top and bottom, and a bunch of info on the back. Got engineered for comfort and durability, inner shock absorbing bumpers, premium materials with real aramid fiber weave, textured material improves holding grip, metal buttons provide tactile click and dust resistance. It is MagSafe compatible, and it is 30% stronger magnets over the OEM Apple magnets, and it has an easy swipe in all directions, and finally an aggressive edge guards from top to bottom. It includes the case, a premium glass screen protector, a microfiber cloth, and a cleaning wipe for installing the screen protector. The box is actually really small, like not bigger than my phone itself, and it looks like that there's a little pull tab over here. Let's try to open it that way. Okay, well the pull tab did not work out well at all, and I struggled getting it open for a bit, and I kind of ruined the box. They definitely need to work on that for next time, but I eventually got it open, and then it reveals a flap that had a pretty big message inside. I'm not going to read it, but you open that and it reveals the case itself. Taking the case out of the box now, as you can see, the screen protector package is inside of the case to save space in the box. We can set that off to the side for now and take a look at the case. So the inside of the case, the hexagon like pattern thing, that is the same like fabric material as the first gen case, if you know what I'm talking about. And on the back you can see the carbon fiber Rebel pattern already getting fingerprints on it. The sides now have metal buttons, and they are very angled and nice, and it looks futuristic, and you can see the MagSafe in the case there. But yeah, I love the overall design of the case, all of the angles and everything again, but now let's switch cameras and put it on my phone to see how it looks. Alright, so I've got my phone in the case now, and the first thing that I notice is that it is not super thin, but also not too bulky. It feels pretty even in the middle, and it also looks really good. Let's take a look at what is in the screen protector package now. So first, we've got the FlowLab Nano Armor screen protector, and from what I've heard, these are great screen protectors. And then also in the package, we've got the microfiber cloth, the cleaning wipe, and the dust sticker. Alright, so taking another look at the case, I noticed that there is quite a big edge around the front glass of the phone, but that protects it pretty well. And the Rebel pattern on the back looks great as always. And also, you can now see the new metal buttons on the side. Those feel great so far. But yeah, so far, seems like a pretty good, nice, and protective case. But yeah, I think that's going to basically wrap up my quick unboxing of the Phone Rebel Gen 3 Rebel Series case. Make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, because I am currently working on a review for this case and it will be out pretty soon. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.